Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Northport local and long-distance movers near me. Moving long distance to or from Northport, Florida is a significant project. It would help if you had a good project plan and a reliable moving vendor. 3 Movers is a top-notch company that can assist you with your long-distance move across the state, the country, or the world. Call us for a free in-home estimate of how much your move will cost. Our representative will come to your home or business and complete a thorough review of the scope of your move. We will provide a written estimate that explains the costs involved in the price. If you need packing help, temporary storage, or an extra stop along the way, no problem. Our affordable Northport movers can take care of you. The key to finding a great local moving company is local. Don't get fooled by a call center representative selling moving services from an office thousands of miles away. Get an estimate from a company that knows Northport. 3 Movers is a local moving company whose professional movers have a terrific reputation for customer service. We can manage your house or apartment move, no matter how big. If you need to move an office, restaurant, retail store, or other business, call us for a quote for that project too. Our Northport FL movers will ensure that you know how long your move will take and what it will cost. No surprises. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Northport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.